Good morning, darlings. Back to the YouTube video today because doing fractions on my Chromebook is not as easy as I thought it would be. Okay, so spiral review today. We're combining Fridays and Thursdays because remember, tomorrow we do not have school. I don't see you guys. I don't talk to you guys. I mean, you can text me or feel free to comment on Google, but not for a while. Okay, so the first problem says 10 divided by 1/5. Okay, so I'm dividing fractions. Step number one, make a prediction. If it starts as a whole number, yes, you're right, ends as a whole number. So I know that I'm going to do 10 times 5, which is 50. Okay, moving on, second problem. 4 1/3 take away 2 3/4. Okay, step number one, I like to set my problems up and down. You can do it across if you want. Okay, step number one, do they have the same denominator? Well, this is a 3 and this is a 4, so no, they don't. Step number two, can I do little chases the big? Can 3 times anything equal 4? No. So I'm going to marry them. The 3 marries the 4 marries the 3. Make equivalent fractions. What I do to the bottom, I do to the top. What I do to the bottom, I do to the top. That turns into 4/12. And this turns into 9/12. All right, now the problem says I'm going to subtract, so here I go. 4 take away 9. Wait a second, I can't do that. So I'm going to have to regroup. Go from the 4 and make it a 3. And remember, I'm adding one whole. I took away a whole, so I add a whole. My whole is going to be the same as my denominator. Remember that? Okay, 4 plus 12 is, 16/12. Now I should have enough to subtract. Let me check. 16 take away 9. Yes, I do. That would be 7/12. 3 take away 2, that would be 1. 1 7/12. Okay, continuing on. Okay, it says to solve this problem. So I'm noticing it says 4 plus 3 times 5. This is algebra, so I need to go back to please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay, step one, are there any parentheses? Nope. Exponents? Nope. Multiplication? Yep. 3 times 5 is 15. Notice I have to follow the rules. If I would have added first, my answer would have been wrong. Now 4 plus 15 is 19. Okay, last problem here. Write in expressions. Remember, an expression is something that looks like this. So I need to take these words and make it look like this. It says add 8 and 5 times 3. So I'm going to add 8 and 5 times 3. Okay, now in this case, they're asking me to add that first, so I would put parentheses around that. Hey, I hope you got the same answers. Be sure to check your work. If you got a different answer, please fix it in your spiral review and then submit it.